Welcome to Belgrade, a city where the pulse of history beats in rhythm with the modern world, a place where the rivers Danube and Sava gracefully converge, creating a backdrop of unparalleled beauty. This is not just the capital of Serbia. It is a vibrant canvas painted with the colours of past empires and contemporary urban culture, a place where every street, every building tells a story. As we step into the heart of Belgrade, we are walking on ground that has seen civilizations rise and fall, from the ancient Celts and Romans to the Byzantine and Ottoman empires, all the way to the Austro-Hungarian rule and modern-day Serbia. This city, standing resilient through the tides of history, offers not just a journey through time but a testament to the spirit of survival and renewal. Belgrade is a city of youth, home to over 1 million souls, where the energy of its people lights up the night sky, brighter than the stars. It's a city that never sleeps, with music, laughter and the clinking of glasses echoing through its streets, from the bustling bohemian quarter in Skadarlija to the modern splavovi, those floating river clubs that define Belgrade's unique nightlife. But there's more to Belgrade than its vibrant energy and rich history. It's a place where tradition and innovation, tranquility and excitement coexist harmoniously. As we embark on this visual journey, let's peel back the layers of this extraordinary city, exploring its majestic fortresses, serene parks, and lively squares. Let's discover the soul of Belgrade, a city that welcomes all with open arms and a warm heart, inviting you to write your own chapter in its eternal story. Join us as we unfold the tale of Belgrade, a city where every corner holds a new discovery, where every moment is a memory waiting to be cherished. Welcome to Belgrade, the crossroads of worlds, a beacon of culture, resilience, and unbridled joy.
Jedenaest. Da.
Sí, ¿verdad?
A? I skineš se go. Ja mislim da sam malo stavio prst na kameru, ali ne sad, u jednom trenutku. Ali nema veze. 13.
Koliko dugo si?
A, pa za sekundu. Možemo do poglednika desno ili levo, da ne idemo kroz gužvu. Dobro. Ajde, tamo ćemo skrenuti na onaj, gdje onaj krug.
Dođi s njim pogled i
Da.
mi na kraju, iako na kraju mi spomenuti.
Cinematografija. Aj tamo pa onda levo od ovog.
Samo spisak još.
Amidst the urban energy that fuels Belgrade, the city's green spaces stand as verdant havens, offering a peaceful escape and a breath of fresh air. Kalemegdan Park, the city's largest and most significant park, is not just a place for leisure and relaxation, but also a historical monument that seamlessly blends nature with centuries-old architecture. Perched on a hill overlooking the confluence of the Danube and Sava rivers, Kalemegdan is more than just a park. It's a cultural and historical epicenter where the Belgrade Fortress, museums and ancient ruins invite visitors to explore while surrounded by lush greenery and striking panoramic views. But Kalemegdan is just the beginning. Ada Ciganlija, often referred to as Belgrade's Sea, is a river island turned peninsula in the Sava River, transformed into a multifaceted recreational zone. In the warm summer months, its pebble beach and clear waters attract sun-seekers and swimmers, while its paths are perfect for biking, rollerblading, and leisurely walks. The area is also equipped with sports facilities, cafes, and restaurants, making it an all-encompassing recreational hub for all ages. Another gem is the Belgrade Botanical Garden, known as Jevremovac, a green oasis in the heart of the city. This botanical garden is not only a place for botanical research, but also a tranquil spot for nature lovers, featuring a rich collection of both local and exotic plant species, a greenhouse, and thematic gardens. It's a place where one can wander and lose track of time among the vibrant flora, providing a serene retreat from urban noise. For those seeking a more active form of recreation, the banks of the Sava and Danube rivers offer extensive cycling and jogging paths. The confluence area, with its revitalized waterfront, has become a popular spot for evening walks, offering breathtaking views of the city's skyline against the backdrop of water. This area, once industrial, has been transformed into a lively promenade where the people of Belgrade come to socialize, exercise, and enjoy the scenic vistas. Lastly, the lush forests and parklands of Košutnjak and Topčida are perfect for those looking to immerse themselves in nature. These expansive green areas are ideal for hiking, picnicking, and simply enjoying the tranquility of the forest. With their rich vegetation and diverse wildlife, they serve as a reminder of the natural beauty that surrounds and enriches Belgrade's urban landscape.
Sen istepmenici.
Tamam. Chyba nie występnicy.
Znači izvrište. Vidiš da je to. Trebaš 10 minuta.
Nie, wiesz, jako 20 minut.
Da je prešlo 20 koliko.
19.
Znači spremno. Da kažem, ideš ti.
Ne.
As we traverse the ancient and modern streets of Belgrade, we are treading on layers of history that stretch back over 2 millennia. Founded by the Celts in the 4th century BC before becoming the Roman city of Singidunum, Belgrade's strategic location, at the confluence of the Danube and Sava rivers, has made it a coveted prize for numerous empires. Each conqueror left their mark, weaving a rich tapestry of cultural and historical heritage that defines the city to this day. The Belgrade Fortress, an imposing testament to the city's resilience, stands majestically atop the confluence, overseeing centuries of history. This fortress has witnessed the recent fall of Epirus, serving as a key military stronghold. It has been destroyed and rebuilt numerous times throughout its history, with each iteration adding a new layer to its architectural and historical significance. Today, it offers us a window into the past, with its walls telling tales of Roman, Byzantine, Ottoman and Austro-Hungarian influences. The Middle Ages brought turmoil and transformation to Belgrade, as it found itself on the front lines of the Ottoman Empire's expansion into Europe. The city changed hands repeatedly, reflecting the ebb and flow of power between the Ottomans and the Austro-Hungarians, each leaving an indelible mark on Belgrade's cultural and architectural landscape. The 19th and 20th centuries were times of national awakening and tumult for Belgrade, as it emerged as the capital of the new Serbian state. The city played a pivotal role in the Balkan Wars and both World Wars, enduring occupation, destruction, and rebirth. The resilience of its people during these times has become legendary, a testament to the unbreakable spirit of Belgrade. In the post-war era, Belgrade became the capital of Yugoslavia, playing a central role in the non-aligned movement and becoming a melting pot of cultures, ideas and influences from across the socialist world. The breakup of Yugoslavia in the 1990s brought challenges and changes, but Belgrade emerged as a vibrant, dynamic capital of the independent Republic of Serbia, looking towards the future while honouring its past. Belgrade's history is not just a chronicle of battles and empires, it's a story of cultural fusion, resilience, and the enduring spirit of its people. From ancient fortresses to modern-day boulevards, every corner of the city offers a glimpse into its storied past, inviting us to explore, learn, and be inspired.